Stylish, spacious lakefront. Open floor plan from renovated kitchen to dining and living with hardwood flooring. 2 first-floor bedrooms, bonus third bedroom and converted garage. Amazing second floor great room with floor-to-ceiling windows that capture stunning panoramic views of the lake. 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the second floor. Laundry room/mud room on the lower level, walkout basement with laundry room and leads to an outdoor shower and path to lower deck with pool and steps that lead to hot tub and lakefront dock. Furnished and ready for occupancy end of February until mid-June. Great location for easy access to downtown with restaurants and shops. Local NYC transit. Nearby hike and bike trails. Major ski resort and spa, 20 minutes ice skate, snowmobile, cross-country ski and more.